and good morning. This is Miss Susan. Today we will solve together Midchapter 8 checkpoint. And let us start with, we don't have here vocabulary box today, so we will start with concepts and skills. Number 1, explain how you can tell without computing, without calculating anything, whether the quotient half divided by 6 is greater than 1 or less than 1. And the quotient here means the answer of division problem. So the division problem, the sentence here is half divided by 6. And we said that division and subtraction, what we call a dash group, decrease or increase the answer or the number. We have two groups. We have division, subtraction, we call it dash group, and the number here, if we make any calculation using these symbols, the number will decrease. However, the cross symbols, which is multiply and addition, we call it cross group, will increase any problem. Okay, so here division, this means the number will decrease or increase. So if I make division, this means number will decrease. So if the number is already half, so this means half is less than or more than or greater than 1. Half, of course, is less than because it's a fraction, it's less than 1. So if the number is already less than 1, and you're going to decrease the number to lesser or less than half. So this means, of course, you will get the answer or the quotient will be less than 1. So let's try to recap this and write it in a proper sentence. So, okay, I hope that you got my point. Let's go to next question. Divide, draw a number line or use fractions threads. So for the first 3 questions, I will module it for you or model it for you. However, for the next 3 questions, I will teach you how to find the answer easily without drawing with simple trick. So first here, what is the sentence? 3 divided by half. So this means if I have 3 rectangles, for example, or 3 models, and I will divide it into halves. So each model I will divide it into half, half, half. So now, how many halves do I have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the answer will be 6. So ask yourself, in this sentence, where is the whole number? The whole number is 3. Now, where are the 2 factors? The 2 factors is 6 and half. So the whole number is the first number in the sentence. Then the 2 factors are the 2 numbers around the equal here. So ask yourself, if you multiply the 2 factors, we are doing here the opposite of division. So that's why I'm saying factors, because I will do multiplication. The opposite of division is multiplication, of course. So the 2 factors are 6 and half. So if you multiply 6 times half, so this means 6 divided by 2 will be, is it the same answer, 3 here? Yes. So now we checked my answer. This means it is a right answer. So multiply the 2 factors. If it gives you the same whole number at the beginning of the sentence, this means you have the right multiplication or division sentence. Okay, let's do the next one. 1. I have a 1 model here, 1 whole rectangle, divided into quarters. So this means I will divide it into quarters. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many quarters now do I have? 4. So again, This is the whole number, which is the quotient, which is the product. And now the factors are fourth and fourth. So let's multiply the factors together. 4 times fourth, so it will be 4 divided by 4. 4 divided by 4 is a whole number. It will give you 1. So is it giving you the same product here? Yes. So the whole number is 1 divided into fourths. So the answer will be 4 whole parts. Now let's go to the third question. Half divided by 2. So if I have half, so I already have a half here. So I will do the drawing in only one part of the circle. Then I will divide it into 2 parts. So I have here one factor, and the second factor is missing, which is the fraction here. Here we have a fraction, so the missing factor is the whole number. Here the giving is the fraction, and the missing number is the whole, or the missing factor is the whole number. So here I divided into 2 parts. So what will be the fraction here? It will be half or quarter. It will be quarter, the whole drawing. So it will be 1/4. So let's check again to multiply the 2 factors together to give me the whole answer here, or the product. 2 divided by 2 multiplied by 4, it will be 2/4. So if you simplify it, or you divide the numerator and denominator by 2, so it will give you 1/2. So the answer will give you the first whole number at the beginning of the sentence, which is half. Okay, so I hope that you understood the modeling or the fraction strips. But let me teach you a trick. As you know how to make multiplication between 2 fractions, or between a fraction and a whole number, how we do it? We multiply numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator, right? But regarding division, you know, it's the opposite of multiplication. So in this case, I want to convert the division into a multiplication. So to divide division sentence to a multiplication sentence, you will flip the second number. You will convert the second number, or flip it. If it's up, put it down. If it's down, put it up. So originally the 4 here, it has denominator of 1. So the denominator here of any whole number is 1. So in case that you want to convert this sentence into a multiplication sentence, what I said, to flip the second number. To the second number, the down goes up, the up goes down. So what is the down? 1 will go up. Now what is the up? 4. 4 will go down. Now can you multiply? Yes, it's easy. Let's multiply. How we multiply? We multiply numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator. So let's multiply. 1 times 1 will be 1. 3 times 4 will give me, say, timetable 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. So 3, 6, 9, 12. So it will be 12. Stop at number 4. So it will be 1/12. Let's do the same trick here. Again, keep this first number as it is, convert the division into multiplication, then flip the second number. 6 will be up and 1 will be down. So no need to put it. And if you want to put it, put it. Now let's multiply. 6, the up numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator. 2 times 6 will be 12, and 1 here multiplied by 1 here will be basically 1, but no need to put it because this means you have a whole number. So keep 12 as it is without the need to put 1 under it. Now let's go to the third one. Again, we will convert the division into multiplication. How we do that? Keep the first number as it is, 1/4. Convert the division to multiplication, multiply simple, then flip the second number. So 1 will be up, 3 will go down. Now let's multiply. Oh, what a weird font. Okay, so how we multiply? Numerator with the numerator. 1 times 1 would be 1. Denominator times the denominator. 3 times 4 will be the same. We did it before, so it will be 12. Okay. Let's go to next question. Complete the number sentence to solve. So let's read number 8. 2 students share, let's highlight, share 3 granola bars equally. So the first clue here is 3 granola equally. How many granola bars does each student get? So they share it. So if I see the word share, this means I divide by the number of students. So I have, what is the number of students? 2. So what is the whole number here? It's 3. Share means divide by 2 students. Okay, so let's now divide. Okay, so it will be 3 divided by 2. Okay, so it will be 3 multiplied by, let's flip this number, it will be 1/2. Now let's multiply 1 up with the up number. This is 1 down here. So 3 times 1 will be 3, and 2 times 1 will be 2. Okay, but I have a problem here. This fraction is improper fraction. Why? Because the numerator is greater than the denominator. So in this case, I need to convert this number into a whole mixed number, right? Or a proper fraction. So how should I do that? I said, if you want to review my previous videos, you will find a clear explanation for this point. If I have here, the denominator is 2, repeat the denominator until you get the same numerator. So what is the denominator? It's a 2. Repeat it up. So 2 plus what will give me 3? 2 plus 1. Okay, now I have here a whole number and I have here a proper fraction, right? So as you know, 2/2, we have the same numerator up is the same denominator down. So we call this a whole fraction or a whole number, and it will give me 1. And now what is the proper fraction here? It will be 1/2. So the answer will be 1/2. Okay.